Hello viewers, today we will be talking about calculating the square of a particular number using the concept of Vedic maths. Earlier in the particular discussion in the previous video we have talked about calculating the cube of a value which was close to a base value. Now extending that particular discussion, today we will be talking about calculating the cube of a value which is close to the base value with the multiplying factor. Now let me come up to the terms I have used. Now when we talk about base value is the reference value to the powers of 10. Powers of 10 means, so that can be 10, 100 and something like that. And when I have written the term with the multiplying factor means maybe instead of 10 it is like 20, 200, 400, 500, 5000, 6000. So here the examples we are taking in this particular discussion will be those numbers which are close to the base value with the multiplying factor, and the multiplying factor here is 2 and 4 and 5 and 6, right? The sutra that will be used for the discussion is Anurupena plus Yavadunam Tavaduni Kritya Vargacha Yojiyet. Now coming up to the understanding of the sutra, Anurupena means proportionality because here we are defining a multiplying term, means there is a ratio in which we have to consider that particular calculation. The next is Tavadunam Yavaduni Krit Cha Yojiyet. It means that lessen by deficiency and adds to a square, means whatever deficient it is or whatever excess it is, depending upon that particular deviation we would be incorporating the calculation for computing the cube. Right. Now coming to the examples. Now before going to the example, let's understand the formula. The formula here is the same which we have considered for the base value, but because we have a multiplying factor over here, this term is being appended to the formula. So what we have, multiplying factor square within bracket base value plus minus 3 times of deviation. This will be the first part. The second part will be multiplying factor into 3 times of square of deviation, and the third part will be cube of deviation, right? And the values which we need to identify is that base value, deviation, multiplying factor and the number of places. Base value, the number in terms of which we are going to make out the calculation. Deviation means how much above or below that particular value is with respect to the base value. Multiplying factor means when we divide that number with the powers of 10, what is the value we are getting, and number of places means how many zeros are there in our particular base value. Now starting with the very first example, that is we need to calculate cube of 203. Okay, so when we talk about calculating the cube of 203, so the base value here is 200. So we can actually write it as 200 plus 3 cube, right? So what is the base value? Base value is 200. The deviation is 3. This particular value is 3 more than the base value. Next, multiplying factor. Multiplying factor means we divide this particular number by 100. So the multiplying factor will be 2. And the number of places means how many zeros we have. We have 2 zeros, so the number of places is going to be 2. Now using the formula, we have multiplying factor square. So we have 2 square 200 plus 3 into deviation is 3. Next, multiplying factor 3 into square of deviation, and the third will be cube of deviation. So that will be 4, 200 plus 9, 2 into 27, and this will be 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So we have 4, 209, 54 and 27. So this will be 836, 54 and 27. We have done till here. Now here what we need to identify next is the number of places. The number of places is 2 over here. So what it means? It means that every portion need to have 2 places. From the right hand side we don't need to bother about the left hand side. So here we need 2 places, here we need 2 places, is fine. So our final answer is 8, 3, 6, 5, 4, 2, 7. So it was really very simple. Now taking the next example. The next example is we need to calculate cube of 199. Right. This number is closest to 200. So we can write it as 200 minus 1 whole cube. So the base value here is 200. Deviation is minus 1. Multiplying factor is 2. Number of places is 2. Multiplying factor square. So we have 2 square. Base value is 200 plus 3 into minus 1. Next, multiplying factor 3 into deviation square, and third is deviation cube. So we have 2 2s are 4. 200 minus 3, 2 into 3, because minus 1 will be plus and this will be minus 1. So that will be 4 into 197, 6 and minus 1. So that will be 36, that's 38, 3, so that is 7, 6 and minus 1. Now the next thing we need to make out, number of places has to be 2 for each and every portion. So that has to be written as 788, 2 places here and 2 places here. Now we write down the value, it is 6, so 6 has to be written as 06. Minus 1 has to be written as minus 01. Now next we need to convert this negative into a positive value. So we borrow 1 from here. So that will be 788. The moment we are borrowing 1 from here, so it will be reduced by 1. So that will be 5, and we are borrowing 1 from here. So that will be, this will become 90. So that will be 99. So our answer is 788, 05, 99. Right. So only thing we have to make sure while taking a negative sign, because when we are taking the positive sign, there are no issues regarding the conversion of negative value into the positive value. But when we are taking the negative sign, negative means when we are talking about those numbers which are below a base value. So here we are going to have a negative sign obviously, and minus is going to be propagated all because we have the cube of a negative value. Cube of a negative value will definitely come out to be negative value, and that negative has to be converted into positive, which can be done by borrowing 1 from the very nearest left value, so that it is converted into positive. So because when you are talking about the close value gives us the nearest deviation, because of which the calculation becomes really simpler and easier. Now taking the next example, that is to calculate the cube of 507. So that can be written as 500 plus 7 whole cube. Right. So the base value is 500. Deviation is 7. Multiplying factor is 5. And number of places is 2. So we have square of multiplying factor, base value plus 3 times of deviation, multiplying factor 3 times of deviation square oblique deviation cube. So 5 5s are 25, 500 plus 1, 5, 3 into 49. So this will be 49 into 7. Right. So we have 25 into 521. This will be 5 into, this will be 12, 13, 14, 147, and this will be 28. I hope this will come out to be 343. Let me confirm. Right. So this is 343. Now proceeding further, we have to multiply 521 into 25. So that can be written as 52100 divided by 4. We have 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, 4 0, 4 twos are 8, and 4 fives are 20. So this is 13025. This is 5 into 147. So 5 into 147 can be written as 147 into 10 upon 2. So that is 1470.2. So that is 2 sevens are 2 threes are 6 and 5. So that is 735 and 343. Next, see, I had been using the tricks even over here, because when we were talking about multiplying by 25, instead of multiplying by 25, I multiplied by 100 and divided by 4. Same when I was supposed to multiply by 5, I multiplied by 10 and divided by 2. So these are the small tricks that really push up your calculation. Next is the number of places is 2. Number of places that has to be retained is 2. So 43 has to be kept over here. 3 will be added here. So we have 738. So keep 38, take up the 7 over here. So that will be 13032. So we have 13032. So it is actually coming out to be really big. So the cube of 507 is 130323843. Okay, so it was actually a big answer, but we have computed it very easily, very simply. Okay, so just you need to make out the formula. Once you cram that formula, okay, so that is really going to be easy. Now taking up the next question, I'll just give a hint about how to go for the calculation, and it is so expected that you can go on with the work on your own. So that is to calculate the cube of 698. So we have 700 minus 2. Okay, next you just need to use the formula. So that will be 700. Here the base value will be 7. So 700 is the base value and the multiplying factor is 7. So 7 square 700 plus 3 into minus 2 oblique multiplying factor is 7. 3 into square of deviations, deviation is minus 2 square, and the last will be deviation is minus 2 whole cube. So this way the calculation has to be done. Only thing you need to make sure is that this value is going to be positive, this has to be positive, this is going to be definitely negative. So convert this particular value into a positive value. Another thing you need to make sure is that before converting into positive value, make sure you have the requisite number of places available over here. Okay, with this particular discussion, I'll sum up, and what we have learnt is that when we need to calculate the cube of a particular value which is close to a reference value, okay, so what we need to do is that we need to just understand this particular formula, that is square of multiplying factor, that will be multiplied by the base value plus minus of 3 times of deviation. Second portion will be multiplying factor 3 times of square of deviation, and the third portion would be deviation cube. And what are these terms? Base value is the reference value that particular number is closest to. Deviation is how much above or below that particular value is. Multiplying factor is when we divide the base value by powers of 100, and the number of places are actually governed by how many zeros we have in the base value. So that was all about today's discussion. Thanks a lot.